Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take two pictures in BeReal. So if you're using BeReal, as you know that it lets you post one picture in a day at a specific time when it shows up as notification. So I've made more videos in detail about this app. You can check it out from the link in the description. So anyways, if you want to take two pictures on BeReal, what you need to do is when the notification pops up, what you need to do is go to BeReal and it'll open up the camera for you to take a screenshot or to take picture. Now what you need to do is you need to just press the capture button, and after that it'll tell you to hold the phone and just smile, because it's now this time it's gonna take picture from the front camera or the selfie camera. Now once it takes the picture, this is how you took two pictures. But now if you wanna if you think that this picture isn't good enough, or you want to change the picture, now what you need to do is on the right top corner you would find a cross icon. What you need to do is click on that icon and it will let you take another picture. So basically this is how you can take two pictures in BeReal if you think the first ones aren't good enough. So I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.